Hey, how's everybody doing? This is JJ from Deluxe Vehicle Detailing and Paint Correction in beautiful Clearwater Beach, Florida. This morning I have with me a 1914 Fiat Model 55. This is going to be part of my client's soon-to-open museum in Clearwater. And this car has been in storage. It's had a lot of work done on various components mechanically. And so what I am going to do today is use some various degreasers. I'm going to kind of just take you through my setup here. So I've got purple power. I've got this in a Solo, probably should have set this up, but the Solo pump sprayer here. Sorry about I'm trying to work, but you know, I'm trying to get it. So the Solo pump sprayer has a telescoping directional handle on it. You can turn this. I use this for a lot of different purposes. You can get up into wheel barrels, up into wheel wells. It's directional. It's kind of windy today, so it doesn't spray around all over the place when you have it in a mist. It's got the adapter lengthening tube and a nice pump on it with a automatic button as well. So anyway, basically it's going to be degreasing. And then I'm going to come in with a series of brushes. Here's my bucket of different brushes. I am going to get on this car and try and start from underneath up high. And you can see you've got pretty good clearance. I know you don't have a reference point here, but it's pretty tall. With my little creeper there, I'm going to have no problem getting underneath. I'm going to scrub, I'm going to spray, I'm going to degrease the bottom of this, and then I'm going to work my way up to the paint. I'm going to kind of take you in, like stepping in their garden. It's got beautiful wooden spoke wheels. This is an actual trunk area on the back of the car and give you a little better view, right? It's got the drop top canvas material convertible, and then the interior I'm going to degrease. We opened up the floorboard area here, and I'm going to be able to get from the actual top of the back area, as you can see, and then I'll come around and I'm going to do all of this paint work. I'm going to do basically hose it down. I don't want to use any pressure washer. This is single stage paint, and it is you know, probably about 30 years old. This has been repainted. This isn't original 1914 paint, but it's in pretty rough shape in a lot of spots, especially these fenders. I've got a little bit of you know, bubbling going on. I'm going to contact wash it after a good double foaming, and then I will hand polish all of this. Some of this pinstriping here, very, very thin. I went ahead and popped the hood with the owner just a moment ago so that you can look at this beautiful 1914 four-cylinder 9-liter. It is a thing of beauty. He told me in 1912 there actually became electric start on this, but we do have the crank here. If you so choose, you can take half of the compression chamber compression off of the pistons by pulling this back, and then you very carefully can crank this car up. Give you a little front view here. Absolutely beautiful vehicle. Absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to very carefully wash this car. I don't know how well it will come out here. The lighting is kind of atrocious this morning, but it's basically dusty, dirty. There's some staining going on this brass. Today it's going to be about the paint. Some of this brass work, these lights, the horns, things like that have been coated in enamel, so there's no point in polishing that, right? Beautiful mirror here, all right? So anyway, just kind of giving you a little look-see and a tour around this beautiful vehicle. And because that's what Deluxe Vehicle Detailing does, I make cars beautiful. So that's what I'm going to get to work on here. Hope to get this done in about the next 4 hours or so. So thanks for being with me. Thanks for being part of my channel. Give me a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe. You know what to do. Hey, I just hit 300 subscriptions. Add some more on. Let's go for 400. I thank you for being part of my channel, and I will give an after on this as well. Take care. Enjoy making your cars or vehicles beautiful.